Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Robert, the Daily Trader. It is March 16th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up today, up $3.68, 2.04%. Closed at 184.13. Post-market seemed to be up by 11 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have been rebounding very nicely, I would say. Rebounding nicely on this new bullish channel. And we are stuck underneath 187.41. After having come down quite far, quite fast, look at the number of red candles that we had here. It was just going straight down, straight down. It's perfectly normal that when we bounce, we don't go straight up as fast. This is perfectly normal. If we had been going straight up super fast, we would not have believed it. And this is one of the advantages of using stochastic. So stochastic is going to show us if something is just going up too fast. This is why we are waiting on this channel for my stochastic over 60, not any stochastic, which is a 21-day stochastic versus a regular 14-day stochastic. So we are waiting for this because we want to increase the likelihood of having a move up. So right now, in order to have a high likelihood of a continuing move up, we need to break 187.41, the horizontal resistance that we have here. And we also need to break stochastic over 60. So we are still waiting for these two things to happen. In the meantime, the stock can play within this support, within this resistance, and basically it's 6 of one and half a dozen of the other. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we have this little channel. Look at this very nice little channel. And we see that the lows are pretty perfectly right smack on it. And now we are coming today close to the support right here. So it's going to be interesting tomorrow to see if we respect the support or not. Let's hope that we do. The first candle of the day right here was pretty much a sideways candle, an undirected candle. We have the same length of wick at the top and at the bottom. So it was not going anywhere. The second candle really shot through, nice green candle. And now we are just pausing a little bit on this resistance that is now becoming support at 183.58. Let's hope that the same thing is going to happen tomorrow, that we are going to bounce on that support again and maybe have a nice move, enough to go above 187.41. That would be nice. One can dream. In terms of indicators, stochastic is really strong at 81. MACD is all positive, RSI is positive, and DMI is positive. This is something that can happen. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. Stochastic at 37. It's coming. Even if we reach 187 tomorrow, I don't think stochastic will agree that much yet. So for stochastic to agree, we would need 3, 4, 5 more days in here before we have that break to give it more credence. But for a 1 hour play, this is perfectly fine. On MACD, not much has changed. We have lost the crossover. We have a crossover bearish right here, and we don't have the two lines above zero. RSI getting close to crossing 50, and DMI, it's quite close to a cross, but it's going to take a few more days to have this. Let's take a look at VIX a little bit. So VIX is zigzagging this week. This is incredible. +2, -2, +3, -3. So we have the -3 today. That's fine. We don't have stochastic. Let's hope that we come down a little bit. If we come down, then Tesla is going to take off a little bit. VIX is still something that we have to grapple with. In terms of Dow Jones reacted quite nicely today. Nice big green candle. on the support right here. That's interesting. We are still inside a downward channel, so we need to consider that. So we could have a move up to here, and we could still come back down. This is nothing bullish yet. And if you want to quickly know if a stock is bullish or not, look at the stochastic. It's not 100% perfect definition of bullishness, but it's going to give you a pretty good indication. Let's look at S&P 500. So bouncing nicely on this support right here at 38.61, still into its downward channels. Still not bullish, and stochastic is at 44, a better stochastic. Last but not least, NASDAQ. NASDAQ again, a great big candle, and we are even outside of our downward channel right here, and we have a good stochastic. So NASDAQ stocks are doing a lot better, and we are beginning to de-risk quite well. So we have stochastic over 60. We have a break of a downward resistance right here. We just need to find a horizontal resistance that we could get stuck under. And once we got that one too, then we have our buy signal. So I would put that resistance right here. So let me put this a little bit thicker right here. This is what I would use as a horizontal resistance at 11,834. 11,834 right here. This one is a little bit less important right now. This one is also quite important right here. So basically, if we get over 11,834, then we have everything else to tell us that we can use it as a de-risked buy signal. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you a lesson.